Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to Instagram DM not opening problem. Okay, first go to your phone setting, scroll down, select apps and tap on apps, search Instagram apps, tap on Instagram, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache and clear data, and allow the all permission. Keep watching the video. Okay, don't worry. And go to your Play Store, search Instagram apps, already update it, open your apps, now reset your phone and hopefully your problem solved successfully. Thank you watching video.